Fraction arithmetic has come up over 90% of the time in the past 5 years, and this video deals on mixed fraction arithmetic. So a mixed number is an integer mixed with a fraction. You can add and subtract mixed numbers, you cannot multiply and divide mixed numbers. When adding and subtracting, go with it straight away. So add together the integers to start with. So 2 plus 4 gives you the 6, and then deal with the fractions, a fifth plus 2/3. Now we're looking for the lowest common multiple, the lowest number that is in both the 5 and the 3 times table. That would be 15. Now, the 5 in the first fraction has been times by 3 to get to 15, so we need to do the same to the numerator. 1 times 3 is 3. In the second fraction, 3 has been times by 5, so 2 times 5 is 10. Then add together the numerator, keeping the denominator the same. 3 plus 10 is 13 over 15. Don't forget to bring the two numbers together again. So we've got 6 from the integers, 13 over 15 from the fractions, so 6 and 13 fifteenths. For subtraction, also you can keep it in the mixed number format. Could be tricky if you end up with a negative fraction, but it's possible. So 6 subtract 4 is 2, and we're then dealing with the 3/4, take away a third. The lowest number that is in the times table of both 4 and 3, the lowest common multiple, is the number 12. So the denominator for the two fractions is going to be 12. And the first fraction, the 4 has been times by 3 to get to 12. So we need to do exactly the same to the numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. The second fraction, 3 has been times by 4. And then 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract the numerators. Keep the denominator the same. Then don't forget to join the two together again. So we've got 2 and 5/12 if we combine the two. Now, when multiplying and dividing, you cannot keep them in the mixed number format. They have to be converted to improper fractions, so just a fraction. How do we do that? Well, we keep the denominator the same in the fraction, so it becomes over 5. And we do the big number, the integer, times the denominator. 2 times 5, add the 1 on the top. For the second fraction, keep the denominator the same. We're doing 1 times 2, add the 1 on the top, makes 3. When multiplying, we multiply the numerator with the numerator, 11 times 3, and the denominator with the denominator, 5 times 2, giving you 33 over 10. That needs converting back into a mixed number. Ask yourself the question, how many 10s go into 33? That's 3. 3 10s are 30, with 3 tenths therefore left over. When dividing, once again, you cannot multiply and divide with mixed numbers. Convert them into improper fractions, keep the denominator the same. We're doing 2 times 5, add the 1 on the top to give you 11. And that's being divided by, keep the denominator the same. 1 times 3, add the 2 on the top, gives you 5. Now remember, keep, change, flip. Some controversy around that, but it helps you just remember what we need to do. Keep the first fraction the same, change the divide to a multiply, and flip, find the reciprocal of the second fraction. Then we're multiplying them. 11 times 3 over 5 times 5 gives you 33 over 25. Once again, convert that into a mixed number. How many 25s go into 33? 1, with 8 25ths left over.